While living in Delhi, the issue of some children not attending school is quite visible. School-aged children can be seen working in shops, selling goods at stands, and asking people for money alongside their mothers. Special Training Centers is an out-of-school program aimed to address bringing these students back to formal education. Historically, NGOs have worked to educate these children, but since 2019, the Delhi Directorate of Education and the Department of Labor have joined these efforts. Out-of-school children are those who have missed 45 days or have no record of enrollment. Since they are aged 6 through 14, they are still protected under the Right to Education Act, and schools have an obligation to educate them. The number of out-of-school children has increased since the start of the pandemic, making these efforts an even higher priority. The process for educating out-of-school children begins with identifying them. This typically involves going door to door and surveying local people. Often this work is done with the help of NGOs like Save the Children. Once a child is identified, they are assessed for their academic skills and concept mastery. If their skills are on par with their age-aligned peers, they are enrolled into school and monitored for 6 months. This is to ensure that they're not pulled out and put back into child labor. If they do not have the concept mastery and academic skills, then they are enrolled in a special training center. Special training centers act as bridge courses to teach skills and concepts that the students need to know to be successful in their age-aligned classes. They can be enrolled and attend for anywhere from 3 months up to 2 years. During the course of their class, they are frequently assessed, and as long as they score a C average or higher, it indicates that they are ready to move on into their academic course in their age-aligned classes. Once enrolled, they are monitored for 6 months by school officials, teachers, and even special training center staff. The schools are required to complete a student progress chart, which documents the students' progress, as well as any supports they may need. Currently, there are 816 special training centers throughout the Delhi area. Special training centers were first implemented right before the pandemic, which disrupted all educational systems. So the program is still being adjusted. Although it is run by the Directorate of Education, it seems a little removed from the government school vision. Participants knew special training centers existed, but couldn't answer many other questions about them, such as if the teachers were trained or certified who were teaching the students enrolled. Although this kind of program is recommended by UNICEF to improve educational participation, it takes a long-term investment to make something like this effective, which is such a high need in the Delhi area.